Hello guys, got the Russwin from Jeff Moss. I noticed that it was master keyed, so master, user are not the same. User key works smooth, and the master key works too. So this lock is obviously master keyed on four of the five pins, of the 6 pin, sorry. So I will pick it. EV tension. We will lighten up the tension. Just see if I can do something to it. I will just go back to AV and try to find something binding again, preventing us to turn that damn plug. Reset it, try again. Oh, there it is, picked. It was the 4th time I tried to make this damn video. So this is definitely a hard lock to pick. I won't get it because oh, let's go. I'm just to 2 minutes, so I have the time. So I will get it, but just to be sure I don't screw anything up, I will lock it back up, and I will use the user key, which will allow all the master Wi-Fi to stay in the plug, so I won't have to screw with them. And I will show you another way to remove C-clip. Often I just, when you can't jam a screwdriver there, I just use my tweezers on the bottom of it. I put my finger to be sure, and voila, the C-clip is off. Can wedge it right there, and bam, it's off. These are big plugs, so I will still use my 1/2 of an inch plug follower, but there's a lot of slop in there, so ain't no big deal. So all the 6 pin are there. I won't dump them because it's a pain when you have master keying. And I will show you the pins in here. They are all standard, by the way. It's maybe why I got so much trouble opening it. I think that standard pin in a good lock are way harder to pick than spools, for example, in a good lock, because my first video was a good lock with spools. because when you have spools, often the binding order doesn't even matter. So they are variable. It's all the same spring, but they are different in one way because here they are kind of special because they are like tighter in the center, so really weird looking springs. So thank you guys for watching, and please stay legal.